Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you a hip-hop music video tutorial.
They run when they hear that the ting goes bang. Bang, do my ones or do with gang. Jump out cars or jump out bands. They run when they hear that the ting goes bang. Bang, do my...
Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, get your footage and drag it to the timeline. Here I speed it up and added the hallucination 2 effect. Then I slowed down the clip a bit and added the clone to right effect. Copy the settings. Here you can find the effect in the AI portrait section. Here I added the negative flicker effect. Then here I added the clone glitch effect. You can find it in the AI portrait section too. What I did here is I added the human segmentation effect. Put it above the first footage and positioned it a little bit left. I also added the glitch dispersion effect. Then I added a keyframe, and then before the effect ends, I made it return to the default position. Here I disallowed the effects, as you can see. Here I added the negative red effect. And here the magic swing effect. For this I did the same as previous. And also added the negative flicker above. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.